Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
3 months after he was awarded Philanthropist of the Year by the independent newspaper, Daniel Omoyibo, popularly known as Danmotech, was last week Saturday awarded an honorary doctorate degree of science by the Federal University of Petroleum in Efuru, Delta State. Daniel Omoyibo, who is Chief Executive Officer of Danmotech Limited, an oil and gas company, has been in the petroleum business for almost 3 decades. A philanthropist who has generated so much employment through his companies in Delta State, he is considered by many as very, very deserving of the honorary doctorate degree.
The University of Petroleum Resources, Efuru, Delta State, at its 3rd convocation ceremony, conferred honorary doctorate awards on outstanding Nigerians who have contributed to the growth and development of the petroleum industry. Daniel Elizino Omoyibo, Chief Executive Officer of Danmotech Oil and Gas, was one of the awardees. Danmotech Oil and Gas Limited, a wholly indigenous company, is a major employer of labor and has built capacity in the industry through its operations. As Chancellor of the University of Petroleum Resources, His Royal Majesty Oba Babatunde Adewale Ajayi, the Akarigbo of Remo, Ogun State, affirmed at the recent convocation ceremony, the awards were reserved for Nigerians who had contributed immensely to the growth of the petroleum industry.
I'm delighted to congratulate our honorary awardees today. Your touring profile scaled through a systematic way of identifying and recognizing distinguished Nigerians from diverse walks of life.
Daniel Omoyibo, popularly known as Danmotech, a major employer of labor in the Niger Delta who has successfully managed over 8 companies, is also a philanthropist of repute. His pet project, Danmotech Foundation, is dedicated to the socio-economic emancipation of the downtrodden in society. In the last few years, Danmotech Foundation has vigorously embarked on scholarship awards and economic empowerment for the less privileged in Delta State and other parts of the Niger Delta. Comrade Ovozorie Makole, a former secretary to the Delta State government, and Duncan Afako, a legal practitioner, described Engineer Omoyibo's philanthropy in the Niger Delta as unrivaled.
He deserves the award, and even more than that, he has used his resources to empower people beyond even his own immediate locality. I can't remember anybody who has contributed more than him in the area of human capital development.
Danmotech, as we used to call him, is a dangerous giver that has affected the life of the common man, especially in Isoko nation, be it in the academics, the downtrodden, and a broad spectrum of areas that he has invested on.
In addition to his unrivaled philanthropic activities, Danmotech, patron of the Directors Guild of Nigeria, is a mentor to many, including his immediate family and employees. His daughter, Joan Omoyibo, a beneficiary of his mentorship, is particularly impressed with his charitable outlook on life.
I'm very impressed. Everything he has been doing, it's been great. And I want to thank God for this opportunity, for blessing him enough to bless others.
In recognition of his industry and selfless service to humanity, the independent newspaper in March this year named Engineer Omoyibo Philanthropist of the Year. For the Isoko-born oil mogul and philanthropist, the many accolades would only serve to encourage him to do more.
I am happy for them to recognize or to know what I've been doing as a philanthropist or what I've been doing for humanity. With this, if I am doing good, I will make sure I continue and improve on it the more because of this honor that will bestow on me today.
Danmotech later supported the University of Petroleum Resources with the sum of 70 million naira, with a promise to employ 4 graduating engineers from the institution.
On behalf of Danmotech Foundation, I'm going to support your project with 70 million naira.
A major player in the hospitality industry, Danmotech is also Chief Executive Officer of Dantinagyo Gold Resort, a 5-star hotel located at Ole in Isoko South local government area of Delta State. He is currently building a film village at Ole as part of his contribution to the growth and expansion of the entertainment industry, which has great potentials for economic diversification and growth in Nigeria.
Inside the Niger Delta,